Guys, this is just a quick overview of my CS50 web programming with Python project 1. So when you go to the default route given by Flask, this is what it shows you. So I'm just going to click register because register a new user. So we can register a new user. Okay, so I'm going to register CS50W for CS50 web. Okay, password CS50 and CS50. So when you click on register, registers you as a new account. I'm just gonna save the password. Okay, so this is the same route, but when you log in, it shows you it has a slightly different page. Notice that the login and register buttons have changed to logout, and this just shows your name. So there's a search button, and it says "Welcome CS50." That's the username. Search for a book by title, author, or ISBN. So we're just quickly going to do that. For that, let me quickly pull up a reference list, which is the books.csv. So we can just find an ISBN. So I'm just going to choose a random ISBN, and so here we'll have one. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to type in the full ISBN, so I'm just going to for demonstration purposes, I'm going to remove maybe 3 letters and to see what it results. Okay, so we have two results for that. Our original book, Black Cherry Blues, and something else. So I'm just going to click on one of those so we can see what the info page looks like. Okay, so when you click on one of the results, it gives you the info page. Here I can see the title, author, year, ISBN, number of ratings, average, and it asks me also to rate the book. So I can give the book a rating, say 5, and a comment, nice read, and submit this. Success review posted. If I go back without reloading the page and try to post another comment, so maybe I say 4 and then I decide to say enjoyed it. If I click submit, it's going to tell me user already reviewed this book, error. However, if I go back and reload the page, I see that the comment button, the review button has been removed completely. Instead, what I see is 2 new members to this field. My comment, which was what I wrote, nice read, and my rating, I give it a 5. Okay, so finally we're going to look at the API function. So if you go to my page /API/ISBN, so I'm just going to change this title to API, and you submit. It should return you it returns a JSON list, a JSON object. Okay. However, if I decide to put an ISBN that doesn't exist, so let's say this ISBN which doesn't exist, it gives me error, invalid ISBN. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the home page, back to the default route, and log out. Okay, thank you.